In case your Instagram account is disabled and you'd like to recover it, then in this video I'm going to walk you through a detailed explanation on how you can easily recover a disabled Instagram account, especially if you submitted an appeal but it has been on review for more days than you expected. So just make sure that you follow the video to the very end and also pay attention to every step that I'm going to take you through. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more updates. So the best way to recover your disabled Instagram account is for you to open your browser. So while on your browser, you go to the search bar and then you type accessing and downloading your Instagram information. So that is what you're going to type on the search bar and then you enter. So from the results generated, you're going to scroll and select this one that says accessing and downloading your Instagram information. So you click on that. So now in the next part, you'll be asked to choose what best describes your issue. So among the 4 different options given, you have to select the first one, and that is data access. So you leave out the other 3. After selecting data access, the next part is how can we help you with your data access request. So you select the 5th option, and that is I have an Instagram account but I can't access my data. So now you'll be asked to fill out this part, and that is for you to enter your full name, your Instagram username, country of residence, and then the email. So you ensure that when you're entering the name, it should be the one associated with a disabled account, and likewise to the username. Then for the email, you have to enter an email address that Instagram will use for reaching out to you for further information, and that email should be accessible at that instant. And then you click on I agree and then send. So in the next part, you'll have to enter a verification code that is sent to that email that you just filled. So to access that OTP, you open your Gmail app, then you click on the 3-dash menu at the top left corner, then select social. So under that, you'll find an email from Facebook, and I hope you're aware Facebook and Instagram work together. So then you're going to copy that OTP that is on that email. So after copying, you go back and paste. Then after pasting, you confirm. So the next part is for you to go through a security check. So if this delays to load, because I had trouble loading this, you connect a VPN and this security check part will load. Then tick I'm not a robot, and then you submit. So after submitting, you'll receive an instant automated email from Instagram through the email address that you submitted. So you go to your Gmail app and then you open that email from Instagram. So when you open that email, it doesn't have any direct solution to a disabled Instagram account. But the purpose of this is for you to get their attention. So what you're going to do is you're going to reply to this very email using the form or message that I drafted, that I'm going to show you how I drafted it. So your reply to this email is the one that is going to help you. And how I drafted it, I made sure that I included areas that you're going to just edit. So the rest of the information you can paste it the way it is. For example, under your username and your email address, that is the part you're going to edit. And then when you scroll down to the bottom, you'll also have to edit your full name, your contact information, and then your username. So you can modify this or you can put it the way it is, only that you ensure that you edit your username and then the email address. So then after that, you go ahead and send, and then you wait for the reply. So if the reply doesn't give you any solution, you have to keep trying this method twice a day for many days until you get a positive feedback. So I'm going to be uploading part 2 of this video so that I can show you the results that I got after trying this for many days. So be sure to subscribe so that when I upload that video, you'll be notified.